前回のビデオでは Present Perfect Continuous Tense の使い方について勉強しましたね。こんにちは皆さん、今 Vtuber です。このビデオではもっと勉強しましょう。Okay, let's begin. In this video, we will learn about the present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and the present perfect continuous tense. For present continuous is am, is, are plus verb ing. For past is was, were plus verb ing. For present perfect, have, has plus been plus verb ing. For present continuous is action happening right now. But for past continuous is action at a moment in the past. For present perfect is action from the past until now. The keyword you will see in present continuous is now, right now, at the moment. For past continuous is specific past time, like 7 p.m. For present perfect is unfinished time for 2 hours, since 3 p.m. For example, present continuous would be I am watching Netflix right now. For past continuous, it tells you about the specific time that you're doing that action, like I was watching Netflix at 9 p.m. For present perfect, I have been watching Netflix for 2 hours. Now, let's take a look at the structure for present perfect continuous tense. For affirmative, subject plus have, has plus been verb ing. She has been studying English. Negative, subject plus have, has plus not plus been verb ing. We haven't been talking lately. Question is have, has plus subject plus been verb ing. Has she been practicing piano? For WH question is WH word plus have, has plus subject plus been plus verb ing. What have you been doing lately? Since we learned all about present perfect continuous tense, it's time for quiz time. I'll give you 3 seconds. I TikTok videos for the past 2 hours. The answer is have been watching. I have been watching TikTok videos for the past 2 hours. She yoasobi song since this morning. The answer is has been listening. She has been listening to yoasobi song since this morning. They for their online order all day. The answer is have been waiting. They have been waiting for their online order all day. My friends about that new drama nonstop. The answer is have been talking. My friends have been talking about that new drama nonstop. I when the lights suddenly went out. The answer is was reading. I was reading when the lights suddenly went out. The reason we are using past continuous for this is because I was doing something when another action interrupted. So we use the past continuous tense. Okay, that's all for today. Present perfect continuous tense についてもっと学んでいただければ幸いです。次のビデオ楽しみにしてくださいね。質問があれば下にコメントしてください。返事します。今日は本当にありがとうございました。バイバイ。